loves, it's your girl Dsalterego back with another video for you guys. So today's video we will be creating this look that you see right here. I promise you that it is super simple. I know that we've been doing a lot of October colors and fall colors, and honestly your girl loves the pumpkin spice, and it's pumpkin spice season. However, I've been seeing a lot of colorful looks online and some beautiful colors created on the eye. So today I wanted to spice it up and change it up and do something colorful and beautiful. And honestly, you can still rock this for fall. It's a sleigh, so we rock a sleigh every day. So yeah, so I hope that you guys can follow along with this video and even try these techniques out at home. I definitely want you guys to be able to slay on your own. I am your teacher. I'm here to instruct you, but you could even be better than me. So I promise you, you can definitely learn how to do some of these looks and like perfect your eyeshadows. So before we get into the video, are you subscribed to my channel? Make sure that you hit that subscribe button. Make sure that you also hit that notification bell so you know when your girl uploads a video. And yeah, follow your girl on Instagram at Dsalterego_. Don't forget the underscore. Tell your girlfriends about me. And without further ado, let's get into the sleigh. I love you guys. Hit it.
Starting off with my P. Louise eyeshadow base, and this is in Rumor number 5. You guys know how much I love P. Louise eyeshadow base. I'm just going to prime my eyes using a fluffy brush, just patting that primer in. Going into that Trendy in Tokyo palette, I'm just going to use that purple color on the outer corners of my eye, and I'm just packing that pigment in just in that outer corner, just to create some dimension. So I'm not sweeping back and forth. I didn't use a transition shade. I'm just literally packing this in that outer corner, just upward, just kind of like lining around the shape of my eye, like the natural shape of my eye. I'm just gonna kind of create a look using the natural shape of my eye. So we're not cutting the crease, we're not doing anything extra, we're just literally tracing the shape of our eye and just packing that color in to that outer corner. Next, I'm going in with a lighter purple shade. This is almost a lavender shade, and this has those beautiful flecks of shimmer. So this is a shimmer shadow, and I'm literally just packing that into the inner corner, well, the middle half of my eye, and just building up that pigment. And just look already, that color is so vibrant and so beautiful. And this color would honestly look great on any skin tone, lightest to darkest. And I just love shimmer shadows because it's not glitter, but it still gives you that brightness and the right amount of shimmer that you need just to make your eyes pop. And I'm still just building up that pigment just to where I want it to be. Going in with an angled brush, I'm just going to pop that blue turquoise color on the inner corner of my eye. And if you see that, I just flip the brush the other way, and I'm just literally creating a nice oval shape, just tracing the natural shape of my eye, and I'm just packing on that pigment. And this color is so beautiful next to that lavender purple. It's almost like a little mermaid eye. It's super gorgeous. And I'm just packing in more pigment and just placing it exactly where I want it to be. And honestly, you guys, this is just super simple because you're not cutting the crease, you're not doing anything extra. You're just really tracing your eye and just packing on shadow. I'm just sharpening that line just to make sure that everything kind of blends out smoothly. And now I'm just shading those shadows together just so that there's no harsh lines and everything kind of just blends seamlessly together. And you can use a clean blending brush and do this, and I'm just kind of like cleaning up that line and just literally just packing in more of that shadow and just blending everything out. So I went off camera and I did the other eye just so that it just speeds up some time and you're not here with me all day. And I thought this eye was beautiful, but I decided to add some red just right over, and I'm just blending that in over that eye and just creating just like another level of dimension. And that red just took it up a notch, honey. Like, girl, you thought you was dope before, but that red? And I'm literally just packing that red on top of the shadow, just like up into my eyebrows. I'm doing the same on the other side. And look how rich that looks. Like, you would never think to put these colors together, but how beautiful is that? And I'm just packing it on and just blending it out. Yes. And the perfectionist that I am, I'm just adding more pigment to that. Now going in with my NYX Epic Ink Liner, I'm just going to line around my eyes just so that it gives another level of dimension. And when I put the falsies on, you don't see any gaps. And I'm just taking my time here. This is a marker, so I like to use the markers better than a pencil just because they're so much darker and they just make a sharper line, in my opinion. Now to finish off the face, I'm just going to use some blush from BHCOSMETICS. I'm going to use that Boomin' highlighter. This is from ColourPop. I'll leave all of the information down below. And you guys know I love a good highlight. This is a loose highlight. Gorgeous. Going in with my Dsalterego minks, I put those on off camera. And I'm just going to add a coat of mascara to my bottom lashes. This is the Damaridaniel Lash Mascara from BHCOSMETICS. And to finish off the look, I'm going to use Absolute New York. This is their Bronze Gold Lipstick Pencil. It's gorgeous. Like, the color on the eye is so bright and so bold that you just need a nude lip to kind of just tone it down, and this is like the perfect shade. And you can just build it up. It doesn't get cakey, it doesn't get chalky, it's just velvety smooth. I love it so much. And I decided to add some inner highlight, and this is my Glow in the City quad from also Absolute New York. And I'm just gonna add some inner corner highlight just to bring that eye up like 10 notches. Using my NYX finishing spray, and your girl is pretty much done.
Okay, my love, so this is the final look. I hope that you guys are feeling this look. I hope that this technique is super simple for you guys to do at home. Let me know if you guys are trying out playing with shadows. This palette is so beautiful and it's very affordable. I believe it's on sale right now. You can check out Ulta.com or BH Cosmetics itself. And I love you guys for watching. Make sure that you are subscribed. Make sure you guys leave me a comment below and let me know your thoughts on this video. Make sure that you are following me on Instagram at Dsalterego_. Don't forget the underscore. That's where you can see me in my everyday, just like things that I want to post, like positive affirmations that I put up. Just follow me, you guys. I love you guys. You can DM me there. You can send me messages here on YouTube. And I love you guys so much for watching and supporting me. And I will see you guys in my next video. Love you guys.